First day of PA rifle season. We were sitting up here on the hill and I had a buddy call. He said he hit a heavy 8-point, so we're going to go help him out and see what we can do.
Hi Justin, thank you guys for coming. 8:15, I hit a heavy 8.
There's Rudy.
Yeah, Rudy should be over there. And there was a 7-point on this side coming off the hillside from Tony's down. And I turned around in the stand, I was looking at him. And then I just heard something snap on this. I turned around, and here he was, the sun sitting at real white, heavy rock. I said, oh my God, nice 8. It was a little thick, like I said.
So check this out. I'm following Louie's deer. Good blood, right? And look at this. I come up. There's a dead coyote. That's crazy. Never know what you're gonna find when you're tracking deer. We're just in the woods. Alright, we're getting back on this trail. I'm gonna let him expire and we'll get up to him.
Special appearance by Louie Domenick. 8:15, I seen a 7-point behind me, and this 8 was coming on the other hillside, straight down across the shooting lane. Then Justin and his dad come down, and they tracked him the rest of the way. Thank you very much to JT Outdoors.